Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Nail Hoot, Captain Nutcracker, and Lina Twirls and Swirls 01. I'm starting off with IMK Peel Ease as my base coat. And look at this beautiful nail hoot polish called Captain Nutcracker. My friend Shannon sent me this one. Pink with gold shimmer. Singing to my heart. So here we go. We're going to go in with our first coat. And the brush is really nice and the formula is excellent. I'm not having any issues with pooling. I did make a little bit of a mess, but that's just user error. Beautiful, beautiful polish. Hi Woody, how you doing? So now we're going to go in with our second coat of Captain Nutcracker. I'm always drawn to these pink polishes with shimmer in them. They just... oh, they make me so happy. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. Capping that free edge. Ta-da! There it is, all on its own. Gorgeous! And this is Lina Twirls and Swirls 01, one of my favorite plates. I'll be using these more pretty polishes in gold and like a real light purple. I'll be using my Coned stamper and my beauty scraper today. We're going to do some double stamping. I'm going to stamp it in gold first and then the light purple. Here we go. I'm kind of going to go in the corners. And I know you can't hardly see that. That's why we're double stamping. I am cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. And it's kind of got mirrored images on this plate for these two images, so I'm just going to go with it. Using that tape to get up the excess off the stamper before I stamp, so I don't end up with any undesirable prints. There we go. Clean that plate off with some pure acetone. And now we're going to go in with that purple. Now this is a light stamping, it's not in your face, it's very subtle, and you know, sometimes I go that way. It's pretty rare, but occasionally I do. Trying to line this up really nice. There we go. And now for the next one. I love these images on this plate. It's always so hard to pick one because I like all of them. There we go. I'm gonna line that up and stamp it down. There we go. I am gonna do a little bit of cleanup with my cleanup brush and some acetone. Not very much cleanup needed. I will be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I'm gonna do a nice layer of that. Let it dry. And now I'm going to use my Poshe as my final top coat. I'm going to go in and be rather generous with it. There we go. Being sure to cap that free edge. Awesome. So here it is in action. It's moving. And I do have a swatch photo coming up here soon. I would love to hear what you think about this manicure. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.